DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. And today we're there with none other than, yeah, Mr. Eddy G. Bomba himself, you know. You don't know, it's Eddy G season. Yeah, man, the one named BMF. Where I check it out and see dog. I check it out and see what dog I do with today. This one, I was gonna react to this one anyway, but this one's also just requested by when I done Mafia, remember them. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself, me just G. You see me I say? Yeah, man. I check it out and see what Eddy G I deal with today when I will provide much longer. By the way, gang, before jumping, road to 10K, hit the like and subscribe button, gang. Let's see how fast we can get that 100 likes. You see me I say we're trying to hit 10K before the year ends. You see me on the 2,500 away, gang. If you give me at least 100 likes on every video, we're gonna hit it in no time. You see me I say? So let's just run it up. Yeah, man. Eddy G Bomba, BMF, let's get it.
Jagger. I so quick you buy one of them crown, dog. Reach the Bomba clock, you know me?
Easy, no. You know Mish. Yeah, Bomba. I say new crown them look. Bomba clean, new crown them nice though. How are going? Alright.
BMF.
Come here, Eddy G. Bomba clean, be a 5,000 I know. Let's get it.
Rich na Bomba clad, you know me. Show me see me rolling, and they see me codeine. And me bring it whole team. I'm a bitch, I don't feel when I feel so.
Let's get it. Come here.
If me flip a 4X, catch me wrist and Rolex. Have a pretty chrome press, with the silicone press. Me left the Vicky so much.
Dog, I like dog. Them in night, Bomba even seen the night dog. Bomba, me have this. Alright, me God, Jesus, me have figure the dog name. Come on.
And the blick is co upset. Never trip a cold sweat. For them this a sure death. I look tip a board vest.
What do you mean from them this a sure dead? I look tip a board check. Talk to them, Eddy, come in.
Just to the fist to the port neck. Rich na Bomba clad, you know me. Show me see me rolling, and they see me codeine. And me bring it whole team. I'm a bitch I don't feel when the pillars so keen. When they in a show deep.
Clot of a bitch I dope fiend when the pillars was. Hey!
We fuck up in one scene.
Alright.
Live up with me, live 14.
Easy. Eddy, all the dog. Alright, Caesar. Blood please.
Dog run up a digit. Record the rocky limit.
Yeah.
This a hardy and a civic.
Yes.
Tell us call it me.
Hardy and a civic. Come in.
Charge money legit. If I think gonna split it next half, you better flip it. Me party with the bitches. A barber for you. Lick it, me charge. You have a image of that.
Buckley, a time for you turn up the thing in a Dan Mafia. Come in.
He clips no laughing and no gimmick to karma. That a me bitch.
No man, no laughing and no gimme to see karma. I feel me bitch, I tell you no man. What we tell them, Eddy, what we do? Come in.
Bomba clad, you know me. Show me see me rolling, and they see me codeine. And me bring it whole team. Have a bitch I don't feed when the pillar so keen. When they in a joke, gonna say
Buckley with the bomba clat, you know me. When they see me rolling, and they see you know tea. Have a bitch I don't feel when the pillar so keen. He was saying that. Right now, stop it. Eddy, come in. Eddy, come in. No, man, come in.
Jagger. I so quick you buy one of them crown, dog.
Yeah, man.
Reach the Bomba clock, you know
Mish?
No.
Yeah, me have a card one right before me go work. That. Hey, gang, come in. Hey, I top him man. Hey, give me a little vibe from touching body right there. You see?
BMF. Rich na Bomba clad, you know me. Show me see me rolling, and they see me codeine. And me bring it whole team.
I'm bring you whole team. Come in.
My bitch I don't feed when the pillar so keen. When they in a
throat deep.
gonna set it one flex. Now me nigga low check. If me flip a 4X, catch me wrist and Rolex. Have a
Hey, Eddy, talk to them.
pretty chrome press with the silicone press. Me left the Vicky so much. You bill off for your poor head. Then me live for John Jet. You never see me doorstep. And the blick is co upset. Never trip a cold sweat. For them this a short death.
Next, from there this a show. That Mafia. Hey, come here.
I look tip a board chest. I skull give me low and stress to the fist to the port neck. Rich now
Yo, this beat go crazy, dog. Who produced this motherfucker? I wish rapper then sample, bro. Then sample one rapper beat there, dog. Jay-Z, Eminem. They sample somebody. Oh!
Bitch, I don't feel when I feel I so keen when they in a short deep. We fuck up in one team.
Hot. The video crazy, dog. Yo, that new crown fryer, dog. Man, come on, Jamaica, go jump on that video. Yeah, that new crown fryer.
Dog, run up a digit.
Roll up a digit.
Record the rocky limit.
Rocky limit.
It's a hardy and a
Civic.
Me tell us call me charge the money legit if I think I
He's calling me charge the money legit.
With the next half, you better flip it, me party with the bitches a barber for lick it, me charge. You have a image darker than a eclipse, no laughing and no gimmick to
so darker than a eclipse pan them Bomba boy. Hey!
Reach the Bomba class, you know me. Show me see me rolling, and you see me codeine. And me bring a whole team of a bitch I don't feed. When the pillar so
kid me in a throat. Deep, easy.
Can I see the whole flex? Let me make a low check. If me flip a 4X, catch me wrist a Rolex. Have a pretty crumb.
Let me flip a 4X, brother. I mean, hey, come here.
With the silicone press, me left the figure so fresh. Me left the phone heck. Then me lift the joint jet. She never see me doorstep. And the biggest scope set. Never trip a cold sweat. Pan this a short death. I love tip a board.
Hey, I want this a short death, you know, man. I'm telling you, I love tips. Boom, bang, bang, bang. Hey, come here.
Give me low and stress to the fist to the
every day a bad.
Reach the Bomba clad, you
Eddy.
know me. Show me see me rolling. And they see me codeine. And me bring a whole team.
Yeah.
Have a bitch I don't feed. When the pillar so keen. When they in a throat.
Hey, Eddy, you want to get the stage performance and provide performance you know me right way? Because he got the vibes, he got the wave, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, Eddy 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, man. Come here. This beat crazy. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Bomba. Room.
Please leave the ads on my videos.
To them, come in. Eddy Bomba, it's a 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I'm telling you, man, you're not supposed to know that by now. Yeah, man, Eddy are doing thing, man. It's a Bomba himself. Yeah, with the Bomba class, you know me. When you see me rolling, and you see you know a team, I mean, you know a team, I gotta do a feed when it's just walking, and then you know what. Yeah, man, Eddy G. I'm telling you, man, vibes, Eddy 𝐑𝐂𝐶 gang. I want to depend, man. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me? If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. You see me? Making us the dance and no change, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, gang. Also, drop your requests so you can get your shout out. Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself again. Let me know anything in the comment section. Favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's talk about the visuals. All that good. The visuals is crazy. You see me? I say, whoever shot that, I did a great job. That video was perfect. You see me? I was lit. Yeah, the club, everybody outside. Yeah, bitches out, yeah, whips out, money out, all that shit lit. Yeah, man. Eddy G, Bomba, BMF, gang. Let me know what you want on the playlist song. You don't know, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.